That's mommy right there. And she's upset because her baby's right here. I don't know what to do. I'm not gonna hurt your baby. Oh shit, that's why it got out. Move. Okay guys, hey, do not attack me. We're going to a safer location. Come with me, come on. Come on, it's okay baby, it's okay. I'm trying to keep it alive, you son of a bitch. It's okay, do not attack me. It's okay baby. We're gonna move you to a safe location, okay? Your baby, look. Come on birds. Birds right here, come on. Scout. Hey, just sweet baby, it's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. So we safely moved the baby. It's still sitting there, and mom and dad are ever watchful, making sure she's okay. But I think my plan worked. So far, at least. Let's take a quick look. Hey, little baby. Little baby. Is this sweet? Yeah, just sweet little birdie. So yeah, she's okay so far. No thanks to you, troublemaker.